Want to switch your Instagram account back to a personal profile? In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to remove professional features and return to a regular Instagram account in just minutes. So, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. Next, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, located in the top right corner. This will open Instagram settings and account options. Scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools or Business Tools and Controls, depending on whether you're using a creator or business account. Tap on that option to continue. On the next screen, select Switch Account Type. Instagram will display the available account options. Tap Switch to Personal Account. A confirmation message will appear explaining that you'll lose access to professional features such as account insights, audience analytics, promotions, and certain business tools. If you're sure you want to continue, tap Switch to Personal Account again to confirm your choice. Instagram will process the change immediately, and your account will be switched back to a personal account. Your posts, followers, following list, messages, reels, stories, and account settings will remain unchanged. Only the professional tools and analytics features will be removed. That's all it takes to switch back to a personal Instagram account. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.